leaders of opposition. Right? These people, they actually supported Putin, they represented Putin, they did their propaganda, they participated in campaigns and stuff like that. Suddenly, they just, you know, leaders of opposition. I won't just name names, I'm just saying. And because a lot of people like that, you know. What are filters? Do you have any filters? Because, I mean, you said that, you know, anyone who can, who thinks that he can represent his region or her region can become a member of this organization. So there was actually recently an attempt to infiltrate the forum by the FSB. So what are the, do you really have any filters? Any kind of, you know, check?
For Ilya?
I would propose to give the last floor to Ilya because we have the second panel. So it's very exciting today and a big debate, but Ilya, the floor is yours.
Yeah, thank you. You know, you're absolutely right. From one side, I think that we should give people credit for being able to change their views. Because some people where I have personally no questions in terms of their personal integrity, at a certain point of time were supporting Putin. The example is Boris Nemtsov, who is one of the architects of Putin's economic program, but then he switched to the side of good and paid with his life for this. So people can change opinions, but some things are what we cannot forgive and forget. And we at the Congress of People's Deputies, firstly, we designed a special paper which we called our founding declaration, where we are saying some key things: that we are against this war, that we are standing for restoring territorial integrity of Ukraine, that we're against imperialism in all forms, that we honor the rights of nations for self-determination, that we are for democratic principles and free elections, etc. And the first thing is that like whoever wants to cooperate needs to agree with the principles of this declaration. Secondly, we even passed a special law on lustration, which says that everybody who supported Putin after 2012, so when it's a usurpation of power, when it was his third presidential terms, he is falling under lustration process, and with such people we cannot cooperate.